So there is a concept we call the stop the bleeding. So it's an example, giving you example from the big environment, then you will understand. Or our environment. Let's say the TS4U have the hundreds other bootcamp across the nation. They're using all this platform, hundreds other bootcamp. And then of course they're also using the Agile LM. Means this is the combo. That's the one our business is going next round. So our TS4U development team has some changes, made some changes, and it deployed in the production. So then 100 of bootcamp has received it. See the changes. So now think about it. Hundreds of bootcamp will be start calling because their students are affected by the changes. So what we will do now, because we have only one, we are here and you guys are all knowing what is going on. You guys are cooperative, but 100 of bootcamp, they will not cooperate because for them it is a product. So regardless what Pratik say, it will not work anymore. You have to, my release team will tell the development team, no conversation, please push the previous one and send an email to the 100 bootcamp. We are sorry, we just caused an issues where we are going to fix it and we'll release again and we'll give the update. Simple as this, there is no other conversation. So push the previous version, pull the new code, and again go through the same development approach again. You need to fix it, he fixed it, then the QA need to verify as many places as possible. And then again, go to the release team again. Release team will be approving, reviewing your changes you approve, and then it will be pushed again to the hundreds of the bootcamp. They will see that it is done. So first, that's called the stop the bleeding. Initially, in the beginning, acknowledge this, pull the code, and push the previous working code.